Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the cable of your Dyson HS01 hairdryer. Before we dive in, make sure you have the following tools ready: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. Let's get started. First, ensure that your hairdryer is unplugged. Safety is our top priority. Begin by removing the screws located at the base of the handle. You'll need a small Phillips screwdriver for this step. There are usually 3 screws, so make sure to keep them in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the handle. Be careful not to force it, as there may be clips holding it together. If you encounter resistance, check for any additional screws that may be hidden. Now, you'll have access to the internal wiring. Here, you will see the cable connected to the circuit board. Take your wire cutters and carefully snip the old cable close to the connection point. Ensure you leave enough length on the wires attached to the circuit board for the new cable to connect. Next, it's time to prepare the new cable. If you don't have the tools or the expertise to do this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Simply contact us and we can assist you. Strip the ends of the new cable to expose the wire strands. You will want about ½ inch of wire exposed for a good connection. Now, connect the new cable to the circuit board by matching the colors, black to black and white to white. This is crucial for the proper functioning of your hairdryer. Use a flathead screwdriver to tighten the connectors on the circuit board securely. Ensure there are no loose wires, as this could lead to malfunction. After connecting the new cable, it's time to reassemble the handle. Carefully align the 2 halves of the handle and press them together. Reinsert the screws you removed at the beginning. Make sure they are tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten as this can crack the plastic. Before you finish, let's clean the inside of the handle. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, and a little cleaning can go a long way. Use a dry cloth to wipe away any dust. This will also help in maintaining the efficiency of your hairdryer. Once everything is put back together, plug in your Dyson HS01 and test it. If you find that it's not functioning as expected, don't worry. We provide pickup and delivery at your home for any repairs. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. In case the hairdryer still doesn't work, remember we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. And that's it. You have successfully replaced the cable on your Dyson HS01 hairdryer. With proper maintenance and care, your device will serve you for many more years. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.